Hey everyone, this is Caleb from Chevrolet of Everett. Just wanted to reintroduce myself and let you know I'm going to be going over the Chevrolet Trax today, going over some key features that you may have forgotten when you first got the vehicle delivered to you. We'll jump right into it. One thing you might have forgotten is there's a few ways to unlock your vehicle and get into it. You might already know about the key fob. It's a pretty obvious one, but if your keys are in your pocket and you want to get into it, you can press this button here. It'll lock it and it'll actually unlock it as well. And you can get right in with the keys safely in your pocket. All right, everyone, the next thing I'm going to go over is how we connect our vehicle's Bluetooth system to our phones. I know we did it when we delivered the vehicle with you, but in case you forgot or you got a new phone, here's how you do it. So you'll click the phone button here. You'll go to Manage Phones. You'll click Add Phone. You'll go and wait until the My Chevrolet pops up on your vehicle. You'll click the My Chevrolet app right here. Easy, and it's all done. Just click pair right there and you'll be all set up. Now remember, Apple users, if you have Apple CarPlay available on your phone, it actually has wireless Apple CarPlay, which is really nice. You can keep your phone on the wireless charger and have your nice Apple features. Alrighty guys, another quick refresher for you in case you forgot. I know it's different than the last previous track models. How to put the vehicle's back seats down. So they do lay flat. You just grab this little lever here and it folds down really nice, giving you that extra storage space in case you have something that's extra long for the back. Alrighty, another couple key features that the Trax has to offer. Firstly is going to be this lane departure alert. So I know you shouldn't be doing this, but if you get sleepy, start hitting those turtles on the side of the road. It's actually going to try and keep you centered inside the lane, keeping you and your occupants safe. Also, for distracted driving, obviously you shouldn't do that, but it's trying to mitigate that. For your auto start stop feature over here, it's going to save you gas mileage by stopping the engine when you're at a complete stop. It's simultaneous with the brake pedal, so as soon as you lift off the brake, the engine's going to fire back up. I doubt you'll even notice it. Hey everybody, this is going to wrap up the video for today. If you found this to be informative, make sure you like and subscribe. If you have any further questions, just visit your local Harnish Chevy dealership. We'd be glad to help. Keep you on track.